G'day, here's some seam opal from Lightning Ridge. Rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted. First pieces, as you can see, light greens, electric greens, possibly some yellows there. Looks like the opal goes right across, so that's 20 mil long and 10 mil wide about. Bottom's pretty flat. Second bit, electric blue crystal. Seems to undulate a little bit the colour bar. It's got a bit of a dip in the back. Make that the back, I think. Lucky last but not least, blue bar. Not as strong as some of the other pieces I've shown today, but still cut a nice little stone. 10 mil, 10 by 8 or something, 10 by 10 perhaps even. Unfortunately it's only on a dark base, but this side's got a thicker potch, so maybe make that the bottom. And it's naturally domed already. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.